Hello students, welcome, and in this video we will do summary completion. So in summary completion it kind of resembles fill in the blanks. You're given a passage, they are blanks, the sentences will not be completed, and you will be given a series of options which you have to fit in the blank itself. Okay, so let's look at the question. Complete the summary using the list of words A to H. Write the correct letter. We have to write a letter. So we have to choose what option fits the best and we have to write the correct letter in boxes 1 to 4 on your answer sheet. Okay. So let's look at the passage. Okay. So the main topic of the essay is the impact of technology on society. So the first section is section 1. In recent decades, technology has become an integral part of our lives, reshaping the way we work, communicate, and live. The advent of smartphone and the widespread accessibility of the internet has revolutionized the way information is exchanged, connecting people across the globe. Section 2. One of the positive aspects of technological advancements is the improved efficiency in various sectors. Automation and artificial intelligence has streamlined processes, leading to increased productivity in industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and finance. Section 3. However, the rapid pace of technological evolution has also given rise to ethical and societal challenges. Privacy concerns have escalated with the constant collection of personal data by tech companies, raising questions about the balance between innovation and individual rights. Moreover, digital divide persists with disparities in access to technology, creating inequalities in education and economic opportunities. Section 4. In conclusion, technology has undeniably transformed the way we live, offering unprecedented conveniences and opportunities. Yet, as we navigate the digital landscape, it is imperative to strike a balance between harnessing the benefits of technology and addressing the ethical and societal challenges it presents. So, now let's look at the first question. The advent of smartphones and widespread accessibility of the internet have revolutionized the way information is exchanged, connecting people across the dash. Okay, so if you look at the first section of the passage, you will see the advent of smartphones and the widespread accessibility of the internet have revolutionized the way information is exchanged, connecting people across the globe. Okay, so the answer should be B. Okay. Now in the IELTS test, you might have a synonym. In place of the word globe, the word world might come in. Okay. So that also fits because globe is a kind of synonym for the word world. Okay. Now let's look at the second question. Automation and artificial intelligence have streamlined processes leading to increased productivity in dash. Okay. So if you look at section 2, you will see automation and artificial intelligence have streamlined processes, leading to increased productivity in industries. Okay, so we have the letter D. So answer is D. In place of the word industries, we can have corporations as well. Okay, so corporation is a synonym for industries also. Okay, now let's look at question number 3. Privacy concerns have escalated with the constant collection of personal data by tech companies, raising questions about the balance between dash. Okay. So if you look at the third section, you will see privacy concerns have escalated with the constant collection of personal data by tech companies, raising questions about the balance between innovation and individual rights. So we see the word innovation and with the letter C. So C. Okay. Innovation and individual rights. Okay. Now the fourth and the last question. This is kind of like really simple. This is kind of like a beginner's way of telling you how to do or how to approach summary completion. Technology has undeniably transformed the way we live, offering unprecedented dash and opportunities. Okay, so if we look at section 4, we will see in conclusion, technology has undeniably transformed the way we live, offering unprecedented conveniences and opportunities. So the answer is G. Okay. So always remember in summary completion, you will be given a passage which would be fill in the blanks. You will be given a few options and you have to fit the best option that fits the blank itself. Always remember summary completion always moves in a sequence. So your answers will also be in a sequence. So the words will not be straightforward. You will have synonyms and you have to fit the synonym. Okay, what are synonyms? Synonyms are words that have a similar meaning. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button